A Mandarin-speaking man has recently relocated to Sydney and is currently talking with a real estate agent, searching for a new rental property.
The dialogue begins now.
Hello, how can I help you today?
您好，很高兴见到您。我刚搬到这一带，想要租个公寓。我已经在网上搜集过很多广告了，但是运气不好，没找到满意的，所以我来这儿看您能不能帮上忙。
Certainly. It's a pleasure to meet you as well. Now, which area of Sydney are you considering for your residence?
我刚找了个新工作，我想找离我工作的地方以及地铁站都比较近的公寓。
Take a look at this brochure. It outlines all the properties currently on offer. How many bedrooms are you interested in? Do you have any specific preferences or requirements?
我男朋友要和我一起住，他是个厨师，所以我想找间厨房比较大的公寓，还要有排气扇，一居室就行。但是如果有两居室或三居室的话也行。
Apartment 14 on 35 Lancelot Street is particularly spacious, and includes a large balcony.
我注意到厨房倒是很大，有什么配套设施？
The amenities include air conditioning, access to a gym and laundry facilities. Additionally, wireless internet is provided.
那倒不错，我猜水电费是要另付的吧？押金是多少？
Correct. Tenants are responsible for covering their electricity, water, and gas expenses. Regarding the bond, it amounts to 3 months' rent along with an additional month's security deposit upon signing.
我明白了。
In any case, I believe both this unit and the adjacent apartment would be suitable for you. They both feature spacious kitchens equipped with full gas burners and an oven. I must emphasize that such amenities are rarely available in Sydney.
听上去不错，只要房东有空，我随时都愿意去看房子。
End of dialogue.